train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1452 Northern.
So this new technology was initially introduced to a handful of sites in our northeast region. IoTS and Biffa worked together to develop the algorithm through these first trial phases. We're branching this technology out to more than 70 of our sites that include stations and our engineering train care centres.
IoT, or better known as the Internet of Things, is simply the ability to connect physical objects in the environment, to make them smart, to give them a technology sensor, very much like this one for the bin sensor solution we're working on, and that then communicates back via a nationwide network back into the end users' dashboards.
We've been absolutely thrilled to work with Biffa and Northern Rail on this project, to work with organisations that have that desire to be innovative and actually use technology for good. Northern Rail were very, very specific in their desires to use technology. They had a remit that they wanted to improve their sustainability, they wanted to improve their levels of recycling, and having run 2 smaller scale pilots with them over the last couple of years, we've proven that the technology works, and they've been able to gather some really, really valuable data which is showing that they are on the right track and they're definitely following the right path towards net zero.
So from our side, more about the partnership is Northern come to us with the challenge about managing bins more effectively, mainly at unmanned sites. We have a really customer-centric approach to work with others so we can find solutions. The future of this project is really exciting. So it's evolved over 3 years. We continue to road test, we review its potential and helping efficiency and the effectiveness of the areas of waste management. It can also do other things such as asset tagging, fill level and numerous other safety features.
The devices work by using a time of flight sensor that measures from the top of the bin to the base, and then is able to calculate the volume of waste that's used inside that bin, and we're also able to determine whether the bin is open and closed.
This new technology is going to be really beneficial for Northern because it's going to enhance our existing recycling data capabilities. So each year the Department for Transport set us a recycling target. This year that target is 70%. So with that, it's extremely important that all of the recycling data that we report on is as accurate as possible.
The information is relayed back to Northern via the already deployed national network of IoT infrastructure, and the devices then send an encrypted message back via that network, which is then captured by the IoTSG cloud and then translated again into a user-friendly dashboard.
So having had lots of discussions with Biffa and with Northern Rail about their requirements, we understood it was very important that we delivered a solution that actually was going to provide value to them. That's very much our ethos as a business, is we don't just try to shoehorn technology into an organisation. It's very much about saying yes, actually having the ability to make changes to the product, changes to the way the software reports, to actually give the data insights that really do make a difference. Now we're able to do that because all of our products we design ourselves, they are manufactured in the UK, we own all of the IP, the software platform is our own, so we have that control and that ability to make changes.
How we can integrate this technology into the Biffa operations is key. We have a fit-for-purpose system that creates a flow from the IoTSG platform to enhance the accuracy of reporting and data.
So the long-term potential of using this information is to reduce all parties' carbon emissions.